Your home's doors are more than just functional entryways. They are essential components of your home's security, energy efficiency, aesthetic appeal, and overall comfort. In Redmond, Washington, where residents experience a mix of rainy, humid winters and warm summers, upgrading your doors can significantly improve your living environment. Whether you're replacing an old, worn-out door or choosing to modernize your home's appearance, upgrading your doors offers numerous benefits that extend far beyond aesthetics. Here's why you should consider upgrading your doors in Redmond, and how it can enhance both the value and comfort of your home. Boost your home's energy efficiency. In Redmond, where the weather can fluctuate from chilly winters to warm, sunny summers, energy efficiency is a top priority for homeowners. Outdated or inefficient doors can cause significant heat loss or gain, leading to higher energy bills. Older doors, especially those with single-pane glass or poorly sealed frames, allow drafts to enter your home, making it more difficult to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Upgrading to energy-efficient doors, such as fiberglass or insulated steel doors, can dramatically improve your home's energy performance. These modern doors feature insulating cores and weather stripping, which help keep the temperature inside your home stable. In addition, many new doors come with double-glazed glass, which offers better insulation, blocking out heat in the summer and retaining warmth in the winter. By installing energy-efficient doors, you can lower your utility bills and create a more comfortable living environment year-round. Improve security and peace of mind. When it comes to your home, security is a top priority. A weak, outdated door can be a vulnerable entry point for burglars, putting your home and family at risk. If your current doors are old, made from flimsy materials, or lack modern security features, it's time to upgrade. New doors are built with stronger, more secure materials like steel and fiberglass, which are much harder to break through than older wood doors. In addition, modern doors come with reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant glass, making them much more difficult to tamper with or force open. Upgrading your doors gives you an added layer of security, ensuring that your home is protected from potential intruders, giving you peace of mind knowing that your family is safe. Enhance your home's curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. If your door is outdated, scratched, or weathered, it can detract from the overall curb appeal of your property. A new, stylish door can instantly transform the look of your home, making it more inviting and modern. In Redmond, where a wide variety of architectural styles can be found, choosing the right door to complement your home's exterior is essential. Whether you have a traditional craftsman-style home, a modern architectural design, or a colonial-inspired property, upgrading your door gives you the chance to select a design that perfectly fits your home's aesthetic. You can choose from materials like wood, fiberglass, or steel, and select a style that matches the overall character of your home. New doors are available in a wide range of colors, finishes, and hardware options, allowing you to personalize your home's entryway to suit your taste. Increase your home's value. Upgrading your doors can also increase the overall value of your home. Whether you plan to sell in the near future or simply want to enjoy the benefits of a more stylish and efficient home, a new door is a worthwhile investment. Buyers are often drawn to homes with updated, modern doors, as they signal that the home has been well maintained and cared for. Replacing your front door, patio doors, or garage doors with high-quality, secure, and energy-efficient models can make your home more appealing to potential buyers, helping it stand out in the competitive Redmond real estate market. Upgrading your doors offers a high return on investment, ROI, especially when it comes to the entry door. A beautiful, well-chosen door can be a focal point that makes a lasting impression, adding curb appeal and increasing the marketability of your home. Reduce maintenance costs and effort. Older doors, especially wood doors, require constant maintenance to keep them looking good and functioning well. From painting and staining to repairing warped frames or cracked panels, wood doors can be time-consuming and expensive to maintain. Additionally, weathered doors can cause more problems, such as poor insulation or reduced security. When you upgrade to modern fiberglass or steel doors, you'll enjoy long-lasting durability with minimal maintenance. These materials are resistant to weathering, rotting, and warping, making them ideal for Redmond's wet climate. With little upkeep required, you can enjoy the beauty and functionality of your new doors without worrying about regular repairs or repainting. Enhance comfort and privacy. In addition to security and energy efficiency, new doors can enhance the overall comfort and privacy of your home. Modern doors are designed to provide a better seal, preventing drafts and outside noise from entering. This is particularly beneficial if you live near a busy road or in an area with frequent noise disturbances. Upgrading to high-quality doors with soundproofing capabilities can reduce the amount of outside noise that enters your home, creating a quieter, more peaceful environment. Additionally, well-insulated doors help regulate indoor temperatures, ensuring that your home remains comfortable throughout the year. Conclusion: upgrading your doors in Redmond is a smart investment that offers numerous benefits, including improved energy efficiency, enhanced security, boosted curb appeal, and increased home value. Whether you're replacing your front door, patio doors, or garage doors, a new door can transform the look and feel of your home, providing long-term benefits for comfort, safety, and aesthetics. With minimal maintenance required and the opportunity to choose from a variety of styles and materials, door replacement is a worthwhile home improvement project that will pay off for years to come.